Americano di Roma, Shenfu Barreto, Mame Caponeso, Giovanni Casinova, first platoon leader, Philip Gabriel Anos, second platoon leader, Dinos Zoe Aguilera, fourth principal, Dr. Francia Lee Pope, Mrs. Selena Gonzalez, principal, senior high school, Senior Mame Facilitator, Mrs. Jonathan Bueno, assistant Senior Mame Facilitator, Ms. Marisol Mendoza, Major Coordinator, Mr. Harvey Medero, DXMTSC Order, Band Record, Mr. Jonathan Asha, Mr. Jonathan Morales, Dr. Jose Mendoza, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Attorney General Rani Sanjay Mendoza, Director for Academic Services, Attorney General Rodriguez, Group Davis University, NCU Number 30, University of St. Anthony, Sunday Fair, Indiana City.
Parang manalo tayo ah. Pinarawan lang kita, boy. Tapos na pansin na yan.
Ngayon na nga ito man.
Activation. Baka, tapos yan, submission din. Pansin din kung ano.
Thank you very much, entry number 30, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Indiana City, California.
Good night, mga kalix. Presence sa Pagkasulitan sa West. Student of Public School,
Ano naman o?
Naiwas, sa principal